Hello, welcome to Bolti Books with Anjali. Today we will learn about atoms and elements. Atoms are the building block of everything in nature. Atoms are the basic unit of matter. Let's explore more with our friends Kavya, Riya, Sunny and Sumit. We see many things in our nature. Let's understand how to define the formation of everything in our surroundings. The air we breathe, the food we eat, stones, stars, clouds, plants, animals, and ourselves are made up of matter. The matter exists in three forms. These are solids as rocks, liquids as water, and gases as air. These forms are called states of matter, and matter has created everything. The matter has mass and it takes space. Kavya asks, can we divide matter in smaller parts? Yes, the matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are very tiny in size. We can neither see them with our eyes nor using powerful microscopes. The atoms are shown as small spherical balls and written using single or two alphabets as their symbols. These colorful circles represent some commonly found atoms in nature. The different atoms have different sizes. One or two alphabets are used as a symbol for each type of atom. The complete name for these atoms are given at the end of the video. If atoms are invisible, then how they create matter? Asked Kavya. Atoms join together in large numbers to form matter, and we see them as things around us. Let's understand it with an activity. Meera ma'am instructed all of you mark a very small dot with your pencil in the middle of a blank paper and observe it. Riya said, I can't find my dot. Now add more dots close to the one dot. What do you see? Meera ma'am asked them. Kavya showed her notebook and said, yes, now I can see a dark area filled with dots. Many dots close to each other make the area darker. Meera ma'am confirmed, absolutely. We can't see a single atom. When trillions of atoms join in a specific way and close to one another, they form a visible thing. Can we divide an atom in further smaller parts? Sumit asked. Scientists have established that every atom comprises three particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. These are called subatomic particles. Protons and neutrons occupy a tiny space in the center called the nucleus of an atom, whereas electrons are in a continuous motion around the nucleus, forming an electron cloud. Electrons move at very high speed, hence covering a relatively larger area around the nucleus. Each type of atom has a different number of subatomic particles. These subatomic particles decide the behavior of an atom. Consider the shape of an atom to be the same as a spherical ball. The center of a spherical ball is the nucleus, and all the area from the center to the outer surface of the ball is the place for moving electron, the electron cloud. In this picture, you can see blue area is the center, that is nucleus having protons and neutrons. Green, red and white is the electron cloud, where the electron is moving at a very high speed. This picture shows the electron cloud model of an atom. In atom, there is a central nucleus having protons and neutrons. Around it, electrons are in continuous motion at very high speed, forming a cloud called electron cloud. The darkness of the cloud indicates where there is a more chance of finding an electron. Darker the color, more is the chance that electron exists in that area. 118 types of atoms have been discovered on the earth. 92 are found in nature and the rest are man-made. These atoms exist in nature as elements and compounds. What are elements? Sunny asked. When one type of atoms combine, they create elements. For example, gold used to prepare jewelry is an element as it is made by only one type of atom, that is gold atom. In this picture you can see atoms of gold joined together to form gold metal or gold element, and this element is used to make jewelry. Iron is another example of an element. It is made by only one type of atoms, that is iron atoms. We use iron to make tools. In this picture also you can see atoms of iron joined together forming iron element or metal, and we use it to make tools and various machineries. Atoms combine in a specific manner. The way atoms join each other is very important. Carbon is found in nature as two different things, diamond and graphite. In these two, only carbon atoms are present, but they join in different ways, forming two different things. In this picture, you can see graphite and diamond. The carbon atoms have joined in different ways, forming two different things. Over here, the symbols and full names for various elements are given. H for hydrogen, Na sodium, Hg mercury, I for iodine, Mg magnesium, He helium, Ag silver, Cl chlorine, N nitrogen, O oxygen, Br bromine, Cu copper, Al aluminium, Zn zinc, K potassium, C carbon, P phosphorus, Ca calcium, Eu gold, S sulfur, Fe iron, F fluorine, Ne neon. What will happen if different atoms combine together? We know that when same type of atoms combine, they form elements. But what will be formed when different types of atoms combine together? Like this video, share it and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.